Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix your computer if you can't download programs and applications. So to resolve this issue, you can try one method. Open your browser where you download, you try to download in Chrome. So open Chrome, then click on this three dot settings and advanced and click on downloads. Here make sure you use proper location in case it's not C drive. So change, select this PC and C drive, select your user account if you have some profile. So select proper profile which you are using, like administrator, then select download folders, then select folder. So you can try this method. Hopefully this work for you. Please comment this method resolve your problem or not. Thanks for watching.